This is a 2-bedroom unit. Baby Waters. Right behind those trees you can even see. Broadwater. Nice balcony. Got a pool down there too. Living area, dining, nice kitchen, a little hallway, master bedroom with the ensuite. On the left hand side is a shower, a laundry, then a separate toilet, one bedroom there, one bedroom here with a balcony at the back. That's north, so you get the sun all day from there. This one got a little ensuite, a big wardrobe there.